Good day everyone, welcome to Petrogrid's YouTube channel. Today we'll be addressing how to integrate and handle non-uniform naming of wells, wellbores, and log mnemonics. One of the main challenges to reconciling differently named attributes is preserving the original data, while maintaining an auditable process and sustainable naming system. As an example, two different service companies may provide two different names for exactly the same well. One service company may prepend the well name with a country prefix, whereas the other may choose to leave it out. Traditional solutions of data reconciliation have resorted to either altering the data or even adding and creating new data. However, if we can allocate an alias to the well with a common designation, we can then cross-reference and retrieve all well data under the new alias, while keeping the original data unaffected. This way, should business requirements change or modifications need to be made to the name designation, we can simply change the alias to meet those requirements. We can also apply this method to other attributes, such as a wellbore name and log curve mnemonics. To illustrate how to cross-reference WITSML data based upon a designated naming scheme, we will start with a document catalog and end with a single log curve retrieved from multiple WITSML documents with differently named wells, wellbores, and mnemonics. To achieve this, we will simply allocate an alias for a well using the document catalog we generated in our first video. The document catalog contains a full list of all WITSML uploaded into the system with some additional metadata. After we've provided an alias, we will then retrieve a set of log data under the new well alias, and then inspect the data to ensure there was no data loss. Finally, we will repeat the same process for wellbores and log mnemonics. We will be using WITSML data from the Volve field provided by Equinor and their license partners. That has already been processed by Petrogrid's PGXML. And finally, we will use Toad for Oracle as our example application to alias and view the data. Let's begin. Here we have a catalog of every WITSML uploaded into PGXML, along with their corresponding WITSML type, version, well, wellbore, and more. PGXML natively provides aliasing columns for both well and wellbore attributes in the document catalog. According to the Norwegian Petroleum Directorate, the well name for this specific well should exclude the NO prefix and any wellbore letter designated suffixes. So let's alias the well name to exclude any of those prefixes and suffixes. There is no need to provide a well alias if the original well name is already the desired name designation. Next, let's retrieve a log curve of mud flow versus depth. Here we can see that the log data of this mnemonic has been aggregated from different wellbores. Each of those wellbores is under the same well, as we can see here in the log header of this dataset. Lastly, we can simply apply the same aliasing method to wellbore names and log mnemonics. For log mnemonics, we will alias using the mnemonic catalog. A predefined naming scheme or dictionary of terms, especially for log mnemonics, such as the Energistics Practical Well Log Standards, can help automate and streamline the process of deciding what to alias certain mnemonics. Upon closer inspection of the log header, we can still see that the original well, wellbore, and mnemonic names have been retained, maintaining no data or relationship loss. The log data itself also maintains the original mnemonic name and UID under the aliased wellbore names. We will be tackling other forms of data integration, such as unit conversions, in a future video. Thank you for watching this video on reconciling WITSML naming non-uniformity. If you found this video informative and helpful, please share it with others and let us know by leaving a comment below and giving this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to be kept up to date whenever we release new content, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. To see other videos on how to handle WITSML data, check out our WITSML playlist.